If you didn't already know it, Google loves bullet points, and I try to put in my articles two sets of bullet points. I'm going to start using numbered bullet points. I think that's even more important. And they don't always have to have markup to work. Google recognizes, the numbered sections in your article, and you will get a boost from it. A lot of times when people aren't indexing these days, it's because they just don't put enough, juice in their articles. You can put bullet points, pictures, videos, word art, just you can just and stuff from Wikipedia, links to Google Scholar, links to authority sites, entities, LSI words. I mean, it's endless the amount of stuff you can put in an article, and I don't have any problem with indexing because my articles are just you know over the top. I spend a lot of time on my articles, and then a lot of times I'll syndicate them so that or I'll mass produce them or whatever. Uh, but they get indexed. And I want to show you here how I create bullet points today using OpenAI. The cool thing about OpenAI, it almost always generates, not always, but generally speaking, it will generate bullet points, a number of bullet points. So I got my question here: how do I choose an excavation contractor? Maybe it's just with this particular prompt but it always seems to generate bullet points for me. We'll just wait here and see what it does. Hopefully it doesn't make a liar out of me. Yep, here we go. Numbered. Yeah. I absolutely love this because you've already got I create my articles in Article Forge, and then I optimize them. I have my virtual assistant optimize them. And then you can just take this and paste it right in. I think the reason a lot of people aren't getting indexed is simply because they just don't spend enough time, with their article and their backlinks. A 500 text article with no bells and whistles probably won't get indexed. Is my guess. That's a guess. So what I do is I just cut and paste this straight out of here, and then I go over here to. I got my article in topical relevance. This is where my um, assistant puts in the phrases, the entities, and the LSI phrases and the words. I got 19 out of 40 here. I got 2 out of 30. That's no good. And I got 8 out of 49 entities. And what will happen is my um, assistant will go in here and do at least 50% on each one of these. And I think too, if you've got a thin article that you've got generated through AI, and it doesn't have any of the the LSI keywords, Google's expecting to see those in an authority article. You don't have them in there, you probably got a problem. So I paste my section there right out of OpenAI. Those, and now I got 5 bullet points here, and click save. So now I've got a much better article, and you can even do this twice. Actually, it looks like I did it down here once. So let me see. So anyway, I'll probably leave this, but you can put 2 sets of bullet points in there, no problem.